Very good morning all of you. Welcome to VS Maths Academy. Today our topic similar triangles. In this topic we are going to discuss basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem is also called Thales theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So, statement of basic proportionality theorem. In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side intersecting other two sides in two distinct points, then the line is parallel to third side. Is a triangle ABC. That DE is the line drawn parallel to BC, intersecting AB, AC at D and E respectively. Then we have to prove DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So given in triangle ABC, DE is drawn parallel to BC. Required to prove DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD by DB is equals to AE by AC. So to prove this, we have some construction. Join BE and CD. Also, draw DF perpendicular to AC and EG perpendicular to AD. DF perpendicular to AC. EG perpendicular to AD. Then DF, GE are altitudes of the triangle ADE whose base AD and triangle ADE whose base AE. Also, we consider EZ is the altitude of triangle BDE when BD produced to A. Similarly, DF is altitude drawn on CE produced to A. So, DF is altitude of triangle CDE. So now proof. Find area of triangle ADE whose altitude GE. Area of triangle ADE is equals to half into AD into EC. Now consider triangle BDE whose altitude EG when BD produced to A. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equals to half into BD into EC. Now find ratio between these two areas. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equals to half AD into EC by half BD into EC. Half cancel, easy cancel, AD by BD. Let it be equation 1. Now, consider again triangle ADE whose DF is the altitude on AE. Therefore, area of triangle ADE is equals to half AE into DF. AE into DF. Now consider triangle CDE. When CE produces to A, DF is the altitude. Therefore, area of triangle CDE is equals to half into EC into DF. Now find ratio between these two areas. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE is equals to half AE into DF by half EC into DF. Half cancel, DF cancel, AE by EC. Let it be equation 2. But we have one statement, that is triangles lie on same base and between same parallels are equal in area. So triangle BDE, triangle CDE lie on same base DE between the parallels DE and BC. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle CDE. Let it be third equation. Now what do you observe from equation 1, equation 2, equation 3? From equation 1, 2 and 3, we observe AD by BD is equals to AE by AC. Hence prove. Now we are going to discuss another theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. So first statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem. In a triangle, if a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. So, is a triangle ABC. Let DE is a line divides AD, AB and AC in the same ratio. Given in triangle ABC, line DE divides AB and AC in same ratio, that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Required to prove DE is parallel to BC. Proof. So to prove DE is parallel to BC, we are assuming DE is not parallel to BC. Assume DE not parallel to BC. That means there is another line other than DE may be parallel to BC. There is another line, let it be DF, parallel to BC. So draw DF parallel to BC. So now in triangle ABC, DF is drawn parallel to BC. Divide other two sides AB and AC in the same ratio since basic proportionality theorem. Now AD by DB is equals to AF by FC since basic proportionality theorem. But given AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So from these two, LHS is equal, therefore RHS is also equal. Therefore, AE by EC is equals to AF by FC. Now add 1 on both sides to this equation. Add 1 on both sides. Therefore, AE by EC plus 1 is equals to AF by FC plus 1. Now take LCM on both sides. Here EC is LCM. AE plus EC. RHS. FC is LCM. AF plus FC. Now, once observe AE plus EC in the numerator, AE plus EC. AE plus EC is equals to length of AC. Therefore, AC by EC. Also in RHS, numerator AF plus FC. AF plus FC is again AC by FC. So that implies EC is equals to FC. EC is equals to FC. But this is not possible. But this is not possible unless E and F coincides each other. So, if E and F coincides each other, DF itself DE, DF itself DE. That means DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. Hence,